Alright, good morning everybody. Of course Mother Nature, on the one day I can work the bees, is not wanting to cooperate very well. So we're gonna see where we can get to, but the first thing we're gonna do is check for queen cells in the hives that I split, because most importantly we do not want there to we don't want like 50 queen cells. Just 3 good ones is all we need. Oh. And of course, they're probably not in the best of moods today because of the weather, so we'll go until we can't go. This is one where I removed the queen last week. So we're gonna see how they did in making a new queen cells, which I can already see some, so that's kind of cool. So yeah, this is gonna take a while because we are literally gonna go frame by frame, because I want 2 really good ones, but I want the 2 prettiest ones. Nothing on that one, so we're not too worried about that one. They're going to be here, and here is where I'm seeing. You know, it was lit a second ago, and it had nice thick smoke. So put these back after. Oh man, only a week and y'all did that. Okay, so little cells on this frame. Not saying I don't like it, but it's a queen cup, and what little bit of light I had is going away. That's great. All right, so I definitely don't like that one. Don't like that one. Sorry. So like these are just really tiny, so I would prefer those not to be the queens. That's a really, I mean it's small, but it's decent. So there's 2 right there. There's 2 more there. Not so sure I like that one. It got cold. So we're not gonna be doing this long, I can tell. We're gonna keep this one out of the way. That's just wind. Ooh, that's a nice little cluster. Thought y'all were hiding a queen cell, but you weren't. Ooh. And also we can't do too much because the temperature is going to drop. So I am literally just monitoring the ones for swarm cells, and that's it. Not swarm cells, queen cells. I'm still liking my original 2 that I had. Or 3. Ooh, that one's got some nice ones. But look at that frame. Ooh, that's got lots of nice ones. Lots of them. So this is why you open and check. And I think this is going to be the only one we do. Yeah. Definitely getting rid of that one. Alright, so I'm going to be nuts if I want to stay out here in this. So, yep. Might have to try it later, but definitely we got one done. Alright, I'm going to put this one back over here, so that way the queen cells are together. Because what's going to happen is the queen is going to hatch, the first queen, and she's going to go out and take out the competition. So, yeah, we're making it slightly easy for her. So we've left... Yeah? A light patch of rain? Okay. Alright, so... 1, 2, 3. We'll get this all put up. Everyone will be nice and happy again-ish. And then that way, when the queen hatches, she'll be closer to... Sorry, I had a brain fart again. Alright, so I took out all but 3 or 4. And then I put them together. That way when the first queen hatches, she doesn't have to go far to look for the competition. And hopefully in a couple weeks, we will have a new queen in this box. Alright. So, sad part is I can't keep going. No, 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 no. Come on. Out, out, out. Come on. Everybody out. Alright. So, because Mother Nature still is not... How much time do you think? Okay. 20 minutes? I really don't... How long am I going now? It's cold. Hold on. We're only at 9. I think I could do at least one more. Maybe.
No.
Oh, is it? Oh, it's here? Okay. Alright, well, hopefully we'll get to do part B later this afternoon. I hope everyone has a good rest of their Sunday in case I don't get to do it. And we'll see you guys either later today or next week.